Aloha, everybody. I'm Rick Kirkham, and today I'm going to show you how to make. Sorry, just lost it for a minute. Google Chrome, your default browser, and we're actually going to click on a couple of things to do that. First, let me show you the edge. So right here, that's the edge. So if I double click on a shortcut on a desktop, and it's Microsoft default, then the edge will show up. It's not Internet Explorer anymore. Okay, so that's the edge. And I don't want the edge. So easiest way there is uh, to make Google Chrome your default browser is just to open up Google Chrome. And when you do that, it will normally pop up and ask you if it wants you to be the default browser. In this case, it didn't do it, which is good for us. Uh, so we're going to go over here to the Windows logo and click on that. And then we're going to go to this gear type looking thing here, and they call that settings, and we're going to open that. From settings, we're going to go to apps, and then from apps, we're going to go to default apps. And then there's two things I want you to change, okay? First, if you have a Gmail account, then under email, switch from mail to Google Chrome, because that way when you ever click on an email link, then your Google Chrome Gmail account will pop up so you can read the email instead. Sorry about that. Instead of you having to uh, copy and paste and have an unwanted software application open up. Now from here we go to web browser, and instead of Microsoft Edge, we select Google Chrome. Sometimes Microsoft will give you a hard time about wanting to switch, and they'll say, "You sure you want to do this? Please stay with us." Da, da, da. But we don't do that. So everything is default application now. And if we look at this same link, then we notice that this will now open up in Google Chrome. And I'm glad all those things happened that way. So that worked out really well. And that's all there is to it. Nice short video. Aloha, everyone, and stay well.